What up, witches, and welcome back to my channel. I have been decluttering a lot lately. So far, you have seen me declutter my office. I even gave you a little tour after, and today we are going to declutter my desk area. If it's your first time here, hi, I'm Carolyn. Here on my channel, I love to create organization and DIY videos. I also really enjoy home decor and decorating and renovating my bahay, or my home, as we say in the Philippines. Also, don't tell the muggles, I'm a Ravenclaw wizard, so if you enjoy those types of things, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to join our online family of wizard DIYers. The top of my desk is not too bad, but the main issue here is this drawer, honestly. I don't even know what is in this drawer. So we're gonna declutter this, and then I'm also gonna do a little bit of a digital declutter. I've already decluttered my hard drive and my MacBook storage, but now I need to go through my iPad, and I also need to go through my phone because I have 10,000 photos. But this is where I do all of my computer work. I can be here working on my YouTube videos. I can be here working on my Etsy shop. This way I can work until I get sleepy and my bed is right there. I just knock out. To get started, I'm just going to clear everything off the top of my desk and hang up all these random clothes. During Vlogmas, I showed you this beautiful Galaxy MacBook Pro case I got on Amazon, and I just love it. I ordered a space theme phone case to match it, which isn't here yet, but I can't wait for it to arrive. Also, for Christmas, Michael was so sweet and got me this Apple Magic Mouse 2 in space gray to use when I edit so my hands can stop cramping when I scroll through the clips. He also got me this Wrist Comfort mousepad that I love so much. Nope, this isn't a composition book. It's actually my iPad Pro and Apple Pencil that I use to design all my shirts. If you guys are interested in any of the tech items, furniture, or organizers, I'll have everything linked for you in the description box. Very recently, I celebrated a birthday, and Michael was so nice. I have been actually wanting this Blue Yeti mic for a really long time. The sound quality is so good. I love this mic. Thank you so much, baby. The first time I used this in voiceover was for my DIY Mulan ears. If you haven't seen that video, please go check it out and let me know how the sound is compared to my other videos. Alright, just grabbing a couple more things off my desk and we can move on to cleaning out this drawer. Apparently there was so much stuff in here that the drawer got stuck. It took me 20 minutes to get these drawer dividers out. This is why you see the camera shaking so much. I was not surprised to find various cords and random tech items like this broken tripod and Sailor Moon selfie stick. I love the aesthetic of this, but the button did not end up working, so it's time to upgrade from a crescent wand to a spiral heart moon rod. If you're a fan of Sailor Moon, please let me know in the comments who your favorite pretty guardian is. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you. I have a tendency to shove old bills and random receipts in my drawer because we get all our bills electronically now, which is why there is so much paper clutter. You can even see it trickling over onto the floor. I'm just using this shredder Michael had to dispose of any important information, then everything will go in the recycling. apparently had so much paper junk that this thing got overheated. Sorry, babe. I think it'll cool down and I can get that paper out soon. Also, here is all the junk from the drawer. It's mostly paper junk, but here's all the stuff that I'll be getting rid of.
Keep it coming through the night. We don't need to slow down. Take it off. Give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll have you in the dark. So shine on.
It seriously feels so good to have space for my planner in here again. I got this planner at Target and I love it. The goal section is perfect because it breaks down into different categories, and on the next page it gives you a section for actions you will take towards those goals. I also have this small Ravenclaw journal that I use to brainstorm all my ideas for videos, routines, and things like that, just so I can get them all out of my head and on paper where I can physically look at them again, like a pensieve. Now after a quick wipe down with this peppermint Mrs. Meyer spray, I can finally set everything back accordingly. Okay, so this is a laptop stand. Don't get me started with how many times I had to reorder this thing. The first time I ordered this, it was in a space gray color. I loved it. It was beautiful. It matched. It didn't have this weird scratchy aluminum noise, but I returned it because I thought that it was supposed to come with a fan to cool down your laptop. So because of that, I returned the stand that I loved for this one, which was supposed to be the right one to have the fan in. I didn't like the fact that it wasn't space gray to match my laptop or my iPad, but I compromised because I would rather have a fan for my laptop. Turns out this thing does not come with a fan either. So I reordered the space gray one, which is, you're gonna see me unbox it right now, and I'm gonna return this one. And let me tell you, the reorder of the space gray took so long. I do love the product, but the customer service for this thing, B-Stand, you need to upgrade your customer service. Despite all the misleading information about this stand provided in the Amazon listing, I really do love this space gray MacBook stand. Even without a fan, it does help my laptop get the proper airflow it needs to keep it cooler. It also has a slot to organize my cords, not to mention provides me with a ton of extra desk space. And since it places your laptop in an ergonomic position, it helps with posture and, in my case, wrist pain. Last thing on my list was to sort through all my photos. Now, what is the best way to do this? Well, I started a Harry Potter marathon in my pajamas and I grabbed some coffee, then just dove right in. I'm not going to lie, this took several hours, but I wanted to have a fresh, clean start. Once I was done, I treated myself to some aesthetic widgets from She the Spy. Her designs are minimalistically gorgeous with a bookish vibe which fits my style completely. She has a ton of Harry Potter Homescreen Kits available, and of course I went with the Ravenclaw one. I was not even sure how to do this myself, but she even provides you with a tutorial video. Now, if this is your first time doing it, it will take some time, especially if you have a ton of apps like I did. But after your first setup, it's so easy to change it out if you decide you want a holiday one or a different color. I will link her store for you in the description box. I just love this. It makes me feel like I have a brand new phone again. Finite! It's time for the before and after. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you are liking this decluttering series so far, let me know in the comments and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. See you soon, witches. Love you. Bye.